welcome to our channel. Are you tired of dealing with hair problems, such as hair fall and lackluster hair? Well, look no further. In today's video, we will show you how to prepare some highly effective curd hair masks that will help you achieve healthier, more luscious hair. Curd, also known as yogurt, is packed with nutrients that provide numerous benefits for your hair. So, get ready to embrace these amazing curd hair mask recipes and say goodbye to all your hair worries. Curd hair mask recipe. 1. Strengthening hair mask. Our first curd hair mask recipe is specifically designed to strengthen your hair from the roots and boost its natural growth. Here's what you'll need: 4 tablespoons of curd, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Mix these ingredients thoroughly in a bowl until you get a smooth paste. Apply the mask to your scalp and hair, ensuring complete coverage. Leave it on for 30 minutes before rinsing it off with lukewarm water. This mask will nourish your scalp, promote hair growth, and leave your hair feeling stronger and more resilient. 2. Hydrating hair mask. If you suffer from dry and frizzy hair, this hydrating curd hair mask recipe is perfect for you. Here's what you'll need: 3 tablespoons of curd, 1 ripe banana, 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Mash the ripe banana and mix it with curd and olive oil until you achieve a creamy consistency. Apply this mask to your hair, focusing on the ends. Leave it on for 20-30 minutes, allowing the nourishing properties to penetrate your hair strands. Rinse it off with a mild shampoo and revel in your silky smooth, hydrated hair. 3. Dandruff control hair mask. Are you bothered by dandruff and an itchy scalp? Don't worry, our curd hair mask recipe can come to your rescue. Here's what you'll need: 5 tablespoons of curd, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Mix the lemon juice with curd until well blended. Apply this mixture to your scalp and massage gently for a few minutes. Leave it on for 30 minutes before washing it off with a mild shampoo. Repeat this mask once a week to effectively control dandruff and enjoy a healthy, flake-free scalp. 4. Hair fall reduction. Hair mask. Hair fall is a common concern for many, but worry no more. Our curd hair mask recipe can help reduce hair fall and promote thicker hair growth. Here's what you'll need: 4 tablespoons of curd, 2 tablespoons of fenugreek powder, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Mix the curd, fenugreek powder, and aloe vera gel together until you form a smooth paste. Apply this mask to your scalp and hair, gently massaging it in. Leave it on for 45 minutes before rinsing it off with lukewarm water. This hair mask will strengthen your hair follicles, reduce hair fall, and promote healthy hair growth. 5. Nourishing hair mask. Our final curd hair mask recipe is an all-in-one nourishing treat for your hair. It will help revive dull and lifeless hair, leaving it looking healthy and vibrant. Here's what you'll need: 4 tablespoons of curd, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of almond oil, 1 egg, optional. Blend all the ingredients together until you achieve a smooth mixture. Apply this mask to your scalp and entire hair length, allowing it to sit for 30-40 minutes. Rinse it off with a gentle shampoo, and you'll notice your hair looking nourished, shiny, and full of life. We hope you enjoyed these highly effective curd hair mask recipes. Incorporating these natural remedies into your hair care routine can work wonders for the health and appearance of your hair. Remember, consistency is key, so make sure to use these masks regularly to reap the maximum benefits. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.